Hi guys, Dave Hayes here. A little bit of a hectic night. Washing machine broke, water hoses, panels off. All right, we've all been there. So I'm a little frazzled, but that's why I look the way I do. Okay, another turnaround for you here. This time in the key of A, 151 turnaround. So we're basically talking about A. And the 5 chord for an A is an E, of course. So we're going to go with an E7th. And I'm also going to start it out on the 7th fret using a B and C pedal combination. So, and that's what we're going to use here. We're going to use some B and C pedal combinations, A and B pedal combinations one time at the end, and the E to F knee lever, which is what's going to give you that 7th of the 5 chord. And I'll show you what I'm doing here. So let's go down to the guitar here. My love here, my 74 Show Bud. Make sure I get the right frets here. All red. And all right. So again, now here's the basic turnaround here. Here's the meat of the matter. A, E7, A. All right. Now what I want to show you here, the key to this whole thing, and what I want you to take away from this most, is that when you're on an A chord, or any chord, but if you're on an open A chord and you come down 2 frets, all right, and kick in the E to F knee lever, that's the 5 chord. That's the 5 chord 7. Again, your major grips, of course, 10, 8, 6, 5, 4, and 3. So if I play strings 3, 4, and 5 on the 5th fret, that's my A chord. Come down to the G fret, kick in that E to F knee lever, there's my E7th chord. So once you've got that turnaround, you can embellish it all kinds of ways, which is exactly what I'm going to do here. I'm going to come up to the 7th fret, the B fret, put my B and C pedals down, and do this. Okay, you've heard that a million times, no doubt. B, C pedal, 3, 4, and 5, 7th fret, 6th fret, 5th fret. Now let off the B and C pedals, play open. Now, what I got next is I'm going to play strings 3, 1, and 4, open. Now I'm coming down to the G fret, the 3rd fret, kicking in that E to F knee lever. That gives me my E7th, this flatted 5. Flatted 5th, I'm sorry, the 7th of the 5th chord, E7. Now again, strings 3, 1, 4. All right, see, hear the different voicing? There's the 7th right there. Up here it was, and then back to fret 5. But this time I'm going to use strings 6, 5, and 4 to get that lower voicing. Okay, if I had gone back up to the 5th fret and played strings 3, 4, and 5, it wouldn't sound as nice. Listen. It doesn't resolve as nice. Listen to this. Hear the difference? Now, I can tail it off by coming up to the E chord again, the 5 chord again, all the way up here on the E fret. All right? And then A and B pedals down to resolve back to the A. So this is what I got. Okay, let's go back here. Let me grab a little extra mic. There was a little A and B pedal in there. Little turnaround, a million ways to do with it. Real quick, you could do one of these two. Alright, all I did there is I forgot about the 3, 1, 4 thing. Came down to the sharp it there, okay? Flat that A chord. Hear that? 3, 4, and 5 open. 3, 4, and 5 open. 3, 4, and 5 with the E, F, and E lever, and then back to the 5 fret. Million little things you can do there. The key is any fret you're on, 2 down, E to F and E lever. There's the 7th of the 5 chord. Okay guys, see you later.